Every now and then, I find myself meditating here to reset from the madness of the city, the noise, the pollution, the traffic. Although, it's not an escape, it's an enabler to deal with the mad world out there. And driving an EV is another way to cope with the madness. The silence and smoothness of an EV makes it perfect for everyday drives in the city. Of course, it's environmentally responsible too. But the charm of negotiating the urban jungle in such blissful silence is what is most addictive about driving an EV. However, because of the powertrain of an EV, every other sound your car produces gets amplified. For instance, tire noise. Thankfully, the Ceat EnergyDrive tyres on my car are designed to enhance the EV experience, and that is really the icing on the cake. These tyres have a sound-absorbing material that absorbs vibrations, which really cuts out the tyre noise. And that is so easily noticeable in an EV. This almost pin-drop silence truly enhances an EV experience, especially on longer drives. But wait, there's a lot more. Now you already know that EVs offer you instant torque right from standstill. But have you ever wondered what that does to your tires? It surely can take a toll on them, but not on my Ceat tires, because they have been designed with better lateral stiffness to handle that instant acceleration of an EV. And I know what you're thinking, that how can you be in this state of zen with range anxiety always on your mind? I'll tell you how. With the low rolling resistance, you can actually experience improved efficiency and get better longevity out of your tires. Well, it's back to the daily grind for me. But with my EV and these awesome tires, I can breathe easy all day long, even with my eyes wide open.